or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their brown flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as swift-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often mistake like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between the seal and the sea lion is the fact that they have bigger, broad flippers. And they also turn their back flippers something seals cannot do. As a result, they can both ride while on land. And that's a fun demonstration. How about a round of applause for Tina and Fran? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? One check these out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Tina and Fran?
Eh, sila yun guys,
As
part
you
4.
can see, their bodies covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair. And the whiskers
Part 4 na,
help the
guys.
sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Ooh, what a nice smile. Hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen nine-side but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to the shore, flat-lined with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Go check it out. Very strong from flippers. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yemi, the smartest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as radar for steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Penerbina and Yenny. But when chasing the prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. And that's surely a fast swim. How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexiest? Great job, Sandra, back there with you. Ooh, nice job. And another one. She deserves it. So here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in special operations? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright ladies, are you ready? Moving salute! Now let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 2. Now this time guys, could you please join our Sea Lion friends in a salute? And the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Alright, up first, the ring. Alright, ladies, get those rings. Sandra got it, and also Yenny. How about a round of applause for Tina and friends? Great job, ladies, you got your rings in. And they are 6-4 red. Alright, trainers, after another ring. One, next. Here comes the ball. So how do you think they get the balls? It's a ball pass. Careful, ladies. Almost there. It's there. Let's go, Eddie. Another one. You can do it, Jimmy. Come on. Almost there, Eddie. Eddie, one basket. Alright, we got everything. The balls in the rings and the rings in the balls. Now let's move on. Now this time, guys, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy?
Tulog na sa Elijah.
Now, Michael. Come on, trainer, Sea Lion friends. Oh, let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, clap. Let's go, ladies, show them the high-five style. And the flavor dancing. Into the water volley. Twisted and turning. Nice twisted. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. Let's go, ladies. Show them the boogie tag. Chicky bomba. And the favorite one, the boogie king. Check those booties. Come on, Jerry. Yeah. Keep on rolling. Nice job. Alright, ladies, show them what you got. And ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady and arriba. For the finale. Steady. And let's go. For the great dance number and another one for the trainers as well. Come on. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Apatica with a newborn friend, the South American Sea Lion, Jenny and Sandra. And also hope that even after your leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animal, can survive in a natural environment to keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn about this inside the scenario. Always keep in mind that we are the stewards of planet Earth. Each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants in the mother, including ourselves. So in behalf of Trainer Vina and Yenny, Trainer Jerry and Sandra, and also here at the Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank to everyone for visiting us today. We hope we will come back and visit again soon. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now. So, Bye now.
Uwi na tayo guys. Dahil museum tayo, Dylan. 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 Museum tayo. Alas 4 pa lang eh. Wala pa alas 4.
Wala, mama mo kasi na yung tao. Yan kasi, patulog-tulog ka. Wala na, nakita.
Wala ka na nakita, tulog ka kasi. Di mo nakita si Lion. Dapat di kasi natulog.
Sleep kasi. Pero parang wala pa.
Nagsuswimming guys.
Kylie, dito, dito. Yung ganito lang, pero tapos mo lang ba? Ang galing mo lang.
Okay po, position po tayo sa seat. Ang tatangan po yung po natin. Ito, position po tayo sa seat. Kasama. 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 Ito, position po tayo sa seat. Ang tatangan po yung po natin. Maraming salamat po.
Bukas pa yun, di ba, te? Dylan. Hindi ba bukas pa yung museum? Napunta natin.
Uwi na tayo?
Luneta sa museum.
Saan museum?
Sa museum ng Luneta po. Hello!
May bayad doon?
Wala. Ate, may bawal ba entrance? Libre lang yun dun. Tayo sa museum. Elijah! Elijah! Hello! Okay ka walk? Okay ka walk? Okay ka, wak. Lakad ko, lakad. Lakad, ikaw gusto mo? Lakad. Guys. Punta tayo ng Bajian! 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 Punta tayo museum. Diretso tayo ng museum kasi may maaga pa. Alas 3:56, 3:16 pa lang guys. 3:16 pa lang. Part 3 na pala to. Basta ang dalawa.
Ubus ang tubig.
Ubos ang tubig.
Kasi naayos ko. Ako, ganyan yan. Hanip.
Buti di nabasag. Yupi. Na-yupi ate Chari. Happy kid.
May swan din pala dyan.
Son ano? Salbabida.
Diyan o. Saan kayo te?
Si Lulong oh.
Sa Biodome. Ay nako. Hindi mo na talaga nila yun.
Walk lang. 9 minutes walk.
Yes! Wait. Kasi patulog-tulog kayo. House?
House.
Ha? House?
Eh? Nagpapamuntang luneta.
Dito. Tayo.
Pa luneta? Ha?
Ron.
Ano taho? Ay, pa luneta walking?
Oo. Sige sila. Hindi ka na nakapapicture dito sa labas. May nakalagay ng Manila Ocean. Ito.
May picture ako.
Ito yun. Ito ata yan. Yung ano sa entrance sa may kabila. Ay.
Ikaw naman yung may hawak sa camera.
Dito na lang.
Dito sa dito, hindi pa tayo nagpa-picture.
Super vlog.
Oh, saan tayo sa kabayo?
Ayun na po daw. Tubig po malamig. Pag ano lang kita magagalit lang. We are back to Philippines now. Yung wala sa lang. Daanan.
Dalawa kayo bot ko.
Oh, break time mo na naman.
Ano gusto niya? Nangga.
Ice cream.
Goodbye luneta. Goodbye ocean.
Cancel ka natin.
Kalaw. Kala papuntang luneta. Wala yung kabayo. Ayun pa rin kabayo. Guys, of course.
Ba't walang alabang? Mga alabang. Magasin. Mas sa akin yung ganun lang. Magkano kaya yun?
Nice kabayo. So, horse. Dadalawa lang.
Bida-bida ka lagi.
Dito kayo bumili ng tubig?
Ano, sasakay pa tayo?
Ayun kabayo. Sa kabayo tayo sakay.
Dito
Kakasya dyan.
Ano kaya na?
Sa kabayo. Sa kabayo.
Uy, bibili tayo kakanin. Meron doon.
Ng basurahan. Ayun, maganda ka. Dalawang kabayo.
Sakaw daw, sabi nila dyan, sakaw.
Kapuyo rin ang kabayo.
Kaya hindi nakatabi yung mata.
Maliit yung kabayo dito.
Nakapikit ang mata. Ayun din. Tinakpan. Yes, tinakpan yung mata ng kabayo. Oh, iba horse. Wilson. Wilson, may mga pangalan din pala. Malilit lang kabayo nila dito, guys.
Uy, saan tayo mga?
Lunita nga. Ha? Lunita yun.
Ito ba yan?
Kunita.
Ba't manggal ang binili nyo?
Meron doon?
You walk. Get through to the park. Sakto pala, luneta na pala siya. Ano tawag dyan?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Dahil malakas ang ulan dito sa amin.
Yung mga arnis,
Training.
bansang laro.
Training sila. Dami nag-a-arnis dito, guys. Oh. Training. Nagtitraining. Nagtitrain sila, guys. Training sila ng arnis. Dito tayo papunta tayo Luneta. Papasok tayo ng Luneta. Luneta na. Pasok tayo ng museum.
No, uwi tayo.
Hindi, mag-uwi na tayo.
Sweet.
Go to the park. Wait, mama. Come here. Oh, it's close to. Let's go here. The entrance. Ay, here.
Medyo.
Iniwan. Ito yung park ng Luneta, guys.
Mama! Park daw! Luneta ba yan?
Hindi pa. Kabila pa.
Mama! Park daw, park!
Park!
Mukhang kamukha na kayo hindi lang bata. Birthday mo ba, te?
Punta tayong park. Yung Luneta, guys, sa kabila pa. Makita entrance.
I-change clothes? Dito pa.
Clothes na, Elijah.
Oh, your mommy's favorite clothes.
Elijah, just clothes na. Basa yung damit mo eh.
Your mommy's favorite. The Spider-Man.
Going to play in the park? Yes. Wow.
Sayang wala ang chela.
What's that? What's that? What's this? What's this? Ha?
Aray ko.
Papadeliver yung gano'n ko dito sa Jollibee. Meron ba? Joking di ba doon? Remove pa, pants! Anak.
Okay oh.
Sit down po. Sit down. Mama will help you. Papa, litinin mo nga dyan.
Tanggalin kasi ito sa muna.
Yun, pa-change, diaper, anak. It's full. Doon.
Ano yan?
Bag. Diaper first.
Patayin mo siya.
Kita-kiti.
Dapat di mo na pinunit.
Dali. We're gonna play in the park. Please.
Ayun pala, may tapo na. Isa-isa na damit.
Shoes. Wow, spider.
Parang pagsayaw yan pala.
Pwede ka mo mauna na dito, Jay. Bakal ka mo pagkaon. Jollibee. Or McDo. Or what do you mean? Saan bandala? Nakita mo sa mapa? Doon na.
Here. Here.
Sa work. Alam niyo ang entrance. alam na ang entrance. Ay, napasok ko na. Diba? Slide agad. Oop.
Ba, wait for your turn. Aso na yung kainan.
Ayun po.
Pin mo na. Ang layo na nun. Ayan o. Ano? May street. Meron ka ba? Wala. Ha? Wala?
Slow down. Goodbye. Good job. Slow down. Hop. Hoy. Elijah. Robert, shout out sa Roberto Tungsan.
Let's go! Let's go! Up. Oh, no, there's nothing there. Dito ka, dito. Here,
Come here.
dito ka akyat. Oh, di here.
Oh, ito here, Elijah. Go up, dali. Here, go. Go.
Oh, may tanggal pa rin. Baka madulas, basa eh. No, here. Oh, kaya mo yan, kaya mo. Go.
Go.
Ayan, kaya pa rin. Here,
Here.
everyone.
There. Put this.
Step on there.
Step there.
Oh, sige, hawakan ko to. Wala kasi eh. Oh, go.
Go up. Step up. Okay, go. Step.
Kulang ng isang step.
Here. Elijah. Oh, go. Slide. No, go.
Spiral.
You want a spiral?
Oh, wait for Kuya. Wait. Elijah,
Wait.
Oh,
Go. Go na, Elijah.
Wait, Elijah, wait. Oh, go.
Wee! We're gonna next.
One more.
No step. Another one. Go. Oh, go. Go up. Step.
Kulang ng step.
Oh, slide. Go. Slide. Oop. Yeah. Go. Go.
Not Mama. Mama is there.
There's.
Louder.
Airplane, go. Slide. Slide, dali.
Say Mama, louder.
Louder.
Not like that. Mama. Like that. Louder.
Elijah.
Kanina.
Wee! Wee! Go, stand up.
Oh, stand up naman.
Stand up. Don't lay down. Oh, go, stand up.
Nasusunod.
Oh, we're gonna next.
Nandun muna ako sa climber. Dito mo. Doon na lang. Nalagyan ng doon. Oh, dito tayo.
Oh. Elijah. Other one.
Halika na.
Go. Go, D, go. Slide, go. 1, 2, 3. Don't lay down. We're gonna go. You want to see so? Hop.
Ayaw na.
Don't lay down, no, sit down. Sit down lang. Slide sit. No, lay down. Go, go. Slide. No! Oh, dun. Here, dun. Elijah. Sa duyan niya, Elijah. Duyan. Dun, doon. Wait, wait. Wait. No, wait. Gina. Gina. Go, Elijah. Up. Oh, isa na dap.
Alis na dyan, balong.
Ah, doon na, doon. There, doon. Siso tayo. Sa siso. This. Here.
Oh, matamaan ka.
Dito ko! Ay!
Oh, sino ka mo? Sino ka mo? Yeah.
Ako muna. Hoy! Baba na muna. Hoy!
The spider?
Ay! Ne, ano mo?
No. Sabi mo, Leia, no, dito. Op. Oh. Wrong. Op.
Kaya yan. Kaya yan. Malakas yan eh.
Oh. Oh, saan ka?
Tara. Baka tamaan.
Leia, where are you going? Let's go na! Go! Please! There! No! No, it's not that! Go! Op, stay! Oh!
Tara, away na tayo.
Let's go na. Museum tayo.
Tayo, dali.
Museum.
Tayo, dali. Uwi na.
We'll go to Jollibee.
Oh, Jollibee daw, Jollibee.
Don't run! Oh.
Wait for Kuya. Wait.
Oh, go. You. Oh, go. Go.
Sige, followin mo. Sige.
Go!
Galing.
Wow.
Job. O, tara na, uwi na tayo, dali. Uwi na tayo.
Jollibee tayo. Jollibee. No, there. Let's go. No. No, Jollibee na tayo. Stop na. Stop. Pahinga na ikaw. Pagod na ikaw.
Lang na.
Hindi na naubusan ng energy eh. Akala mo kung sino.
Ito, patulog yan mamaya.
Hindi, tagal pa yan. Kaya lang yan matutulog, pero pagdating sa bahay.